आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राण चक्षुश्रोत्रं ततो बलम् इन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्मा निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्मा निराकरोत् निराकरणम् अस्तु निराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मानि निरते य उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are joining. Dharmaste mayi santu. Dharma means virtues attributes, good conduct. May the lasting, not what is pleasing, and the lasting values, eternal values, may they come and take shelter in me. May they take shelter. Dharmaste mayi santu, te mayi santu. Repeating that one indicates may the good attributes, lasting, timeless values, may they take shelter in me. That is the prayer, opening prayer, Shanti mantra. Shanti mantra, any Upanishad starts with a Shanti mantra. Shanti means happiness, bliss, peak of the bliss, the highest of the bliss we get only through knowledge. We get happy if we get a good meal, we get a happiness when we get a salary raise, we get a happiness when we get lot of money. But lasting happiness comes, it got to be sought from inside, not from outside. Outer one, it is not lasting, it is a momentarily pleasing things. The lasting happiness, Sha Anta E. Sha means bliss. Anta means peak of the bliss. E means knowledge. Only through knowledge you will get the lasting happiness. Nanya Panta Ayanaya Vidyate. Purusha Sukta says, no other way apart from knowledge will give you the lasting happiness.